Good day to you, Madam and Sir. My name is Feli Plata. I'm a Filipino. I'm 38 years old. I'm single. I have 3 children. I have 5 brothers, 4 sisters. I'm the ninth in the family. I'm high school graduate. My work experience, I work domestic helper in Philippines. I finished 2 years contract. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing the dishes, ironing the clothes, marketing, gardening, and I also cook Filipino dishes. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes, and I'm willing to learn how to speak basic Cantonese words. I love taking care children also. I give food on time. I always take a bath every day. I give medicine and vitamins based the doctor's prescription. And I love the children as my own. Madam and Sir, I'm hardworking, patient, loyal, flexible, and thoughtful. Madam Sir, please choose me. I promise to you I do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to you I will finish 2 years contract. Thank you.